Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. I hope you are doing well. This printer is Canon PIXMA TS4150i. It's a compact all-in-one wireless inkjet printer designed for home use. It focuses on printing, copying, and scanning in a small form factor, emphasizing wireless connectivity and mobile integration over office-centric features like automatic document feeder ADF. The core functionality, so you can print, copy, and scan. The printing technology is inkjet. The speed ISO up to 14 print per minute for black and 9 print per minute for color. Print resolution 1200 by 1200 dpi. Duplexing, automatic double-sided printing built in, no manual flip over required. Tray capacity 100 sheet, no automatic document feeder, so this printer hasn't got ADF. And scanning details, color flatbed CIS technology, resolution 1200 by 2400 dpi, optical character recognition OCI, converts scanned image to editable text. In terms of the ink, this printer uses the model BG595 is black and CL586 color, and also option to use extra large high yield variants, and standard yield 180 pages for color/black. For extra large, you getting about 300 pages for black and color. Media type and paper type is uses standard A4, A5, B5 letter, and paper specialty square 127 by 127 millimeter, popular for scrapping book/Instagram prints. Envelope 10 and DL. Custom size width 89 by 215 by 9 millimeter / length 127 by 297 millimeter. And borderless printing supported, copy and print. In terms of connectivity, you can connect this printer to Wi-Fi network, wired USB, Type B, high speed, cloud/mobile, Google Cloud Print, Mopria service, Apple AirPrint, software and app required, Canon Print Inkjet/Selfie app, Easy Photo Print Editor, Message in Print, PIXMA Cloud Link, and Canon Print Service plug-in. The height is 168 millimeter, width 374 millimeter, and diameter is 355. This printer weighs about 5.2 kg and it comes in white color. System requirement is compatible with Windows 7 or later, Mac OS 12 or later, and you got like 2 years guarantee with this. This is a budget printer, space-saving home printer, optimized for mobile printing and creative media. Square prints. It lacks high-speed office features like ADF, but compensates with automatic duplex printing and robust app integration. We're going to unbox this printer, check it out, and see what is inside. This is the information pack. Ink cartridges. 595 is black and 586 is the colored one. The power cable, 3-pin power cable. And information pack. It's very light, it's not heavy. So it uses the casket, the button casket. So you load various sizes of paper and adjust it with this clip. So you have A4, liter, B5, A5, 4x6 photo paper. Then adjust the paper guide. So you load various sizes of paper. Load A4 paper and adjust it. So once you switch the printer on, the ink cartridges will move from the right, the holder will move from the right and position for you to change it. If you have any paper jam, check for any paper jam and debris. Then once you're done, put this cover back. The power cable goes in here. The USB port is on the top here, and from the control panel you switch the printer on and off from this button. This button, you select this during the setup, and this Wi-Fi button is for you to select the paper. OK to confirm. This button is for you to copy black, and this button is for you to copy color, and this button is stop button. You scan the QR code to connect the printer. This is PIXMA 4150i, and this is the scanner, flat bed scanner. So these are the stuff included in the packaging. Thank you very much. This is the unboxing and overview. Thank you.